Krumzari Kangleipak Manipur yam nungsiye ngasidi aibu yengbiba mayambusu krumzari kamen bibiba mayambusu yengze aduga iroina na Lok Sabagi Mikhalda Paisana Leiba ngamdaba Akoy Kangleipak Manipur bu kanba ngamgadaba mida bohot pibiyo Mariana bada center da khong tin mangamba Yenga tada view, Paisana, Bot Lebiba, Yahan Bigano, Kangleipak, Kandavayade, Kangleipak, Kandavayade, Kangleipak na,
Yaiphare,
Kangleipak na,
Yaiphare,
Kangleipak na,
Yaiphare.
Ya, Asuki Mating Nungsi. I love you. Isa tuwibina loy. Ngasi di ama hapsagi ay som nuhay Kangleipak samna se ay so ado isa tuwibina loy na tonge di hamning drabane isa tuwibina yam loy na tong bane mana.
Okay, the main course is the Ethiopian Burberry spice marinated chicken legs. 1 hour, 1 night. Marination story, and then I made little holes so the marinade na chang na ba, and then mamagi favorite Hawaiian biga kaheba Kamenjin kang shoy aduga mama na moro kama sumetle
Mantongin hayre
aina Manipur gi shrimp ka yarom ga fried rice hem to Gobi, avocado, asparagus, moro kuyum hoba, yung chak, aina yen lo but sure, extra sule, jamput tabi, jamput amatore, and then salad with tomato, onion, cucumber, and hangam tao, and then extra rice.
How are you?
I made some shrimp and egg fried rice.
Oh my god.
So it has yarrow, it has cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, yale.
Shrimp soba.
Akwagi Manipur dagi freshwater shrimp akang ba kajin kang ba. So kara ay na lower aga takre takara ba. This is a Burberry Ethiopian curry spice mix chicken.
How ni?
Yen dahan yeah chikairo. How bra?
How yeah?
That's good. You can squeeze some lemon juice if you want.
Spicy cha kuki mani cha.
Yeah, my type man Ethiopian food okay. Indian food ya mana bane.
Mani. Mani Hawaii am cha da.
Yeah, Hawaii am chai.
Tobia sing ya. How is cha?
I'm happy.
Na. What is it? Sana. So we tong do.
How about to di tang record already ngoy te.
Maman ta ba ni.
Kam kanai.
Kangleipak mi story na.
Moro ba pasika ke thai no.
Sanam moro an chaprak yang suzale ngari. Sanam yam sa wasara. Hatta pai.
Yeah, we love janam in this household.
Oh yeah.
Janam ya di le bangam de, hinjang thong bangam de.
Hi. Sana campuran pulang me.
Papa di campur yam palm me, fresh di kar palm de.
Fried rice very good, chicken very good.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Akwagi lemon basil, mayang don le ramadi adugi fried rice kwao ma to bane.
Napade boy do samsara. What's that there?
Fried rice singing bio mama. Yeah, Papa approved. Yen ga fried rice ka.
I approve it.
Fried rice so kang shoy ga so how ni? Kang shoy ma hi.
Wow.
Akoy Manipuri kajing na how halin ne. Adu ha na ngore, adu ga shura ga thai ne. Pescatarian fried rice. Kang shoy ma hi ka kitang hi. No. This is a winning combination.
It's not really.
Kang shoy ma hi ga. Fried rice ka. Yen bio.
Oi ma.
Ngai do na.
Cha hao yi ne.
Yeah, you can see the little shrimp in there.
So sakit hao ya.
I'm glad you like it, mommy.
So na bedo. When she told you how to start to show up dog.
Yeah.
Can't be so hard dog.
I saw it's a crappy gift.
Can't do it.
Oh, I ruined my pattern. That's okay.
Is that in here? See you cool house at the hair.
Yeah, Papa not approved over.
Hey, that is
Ain't a cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, frozen mix. Some layer of just a option when a vegetable curry yarn about.
That is the good.
Mama is vegetable queen.
It'll be said, but that's the other.
Yeah, hey Nadia.
It'll be said, but I'm palmer.
And here's how dine how the bro.
Sorry, best of the world.
Yeah, I just need you to confirm.
Best of the world.
Thank you. Yeah. Cooking and baking is like chemistry, Mama. There's a protocol. You have to follow it.
How is that them yourself? Oh, no. How is that? Yeah. The thing high, the non high. How is that? That is short. We don't have money out there. Yeah.
Wow, that crunch. As fresh yung chakba mi Mama di. Kang manat ba? Fresh. Karam kanda no yung chaki season sa hujigra.
Hujinga.
Oh, kala.
Oh.
Kwai di pangde.
Kwai yung sakto.
Akang matang.
How is that? Wow.
Ay di nga ang ikang siya mahilo ang takrawan niya.
Ay, ang kong ba? Luwin sa hana, loy takrem.
The Kamenjin Gangsho is very nice with the laranga. Nga pa ay sukaw dahil niya.
Pwede. Kanso itong mide hele, laira ba niya?
I don't even think that's true, Mama.
Laira ba ina
Gangsho is very healthy for you.
Yeah.
Nagi vegetable mayam, takbayay nga kang ba, ama ni kahino. I need kind of variety, so takbayay. It's very healthy for you. Taoziam yao de. I think gangshoy is like living food, okay? Yen tongba is not hingnabagi food. Gangshoy and hangam is hingbagi food. Hingnabangamba. Yeah. And it's very delicious. That doesn't hurt at all. What is a taupa? I do kangde kaino.
Taupa ni di half of the kilos well there.
Oh.
It's
It's probably better for you. I think you like my fried rice, Mama. I gave you some white rice just in case, but I think you like it. Me, kangde. Maybe for fun, but if it's becomes a livelihood, talay. But I if yam mama yam hauna chabagi, project hongi bado yam harawe sana. I don't know about that. I'm glad that
that's the best.
You enjoy it though.
It's the best.
Paisa di kar dakar oy da mama pa oy ba. But paisa na paisa isn't everything. That's old traditional style. It's beautiful. Buboki pira. Skap ni mo to. Jack Jang kap di tumyani mama kap kano harao.
Lula. Ndaki bote da maruay ba. Kangleipak kan gada ba paisada nusada aigi taba happy gada ba natre. Kangleipak kan gada ba sahili sang sitna koi na kayam na Meitei ba pira ka palaki ba koi kangleipak kanana ba mida Both review. Kumjari Kangleipak Manipur.